We lived in Berlin before, and it's very expensive to rent an apartment in Berlin. So it was in the COVID time that we decided to drive away from Germany. To see more from the world.
Hey y'all, today I'm here with Peter and Rosa and they're gonna give us a tour of their camper van. This time it's not self-built camper van, they actually built one, and in this video they will show the features what you better would have to change before you moving in full-time in a camper van. Let's have a look.
It's a standard or a classic camper van built by a German fabric, yeah, and we fall in love with this camper van on an event where we saw it.
An exhibition.
On an exhibition, yeah, where we saw it, and we fell in love with the bathroom situation in this car because we think it's really special. That's our dog, it's Sunny. She also lived with us. We adopted her 1 year ago in Greece.
There are some gimmicks. We buy it from Style with a small magnetic table. So we are magnetic freaks because we got a lot of magnets for everything. Yeah.
We have an awning. It's 4 meters long and 2.5 meters out. Yeah.
From Thule.
Now it's a bit too windy to use it and also not allowed here because camping is not allowed.
And you have a magnetic sensor light?
Yeah, it's just China stuff, magnetic light. But it works. It's gives us a bit more safety. Outside we didn't change a lot. It's a classic. It's a bit undercover. We just removed all the decoration stickers and we just put a black stripe on the sides to make the windows maybe a bit undercover, a bit more. Yeah.
Yeah, we like the look.
Inside we have a bit organization maybe for our stuff.
Yeah, fixed pockets.
The pockets and also the gas, but there's a lot of other stuff inside. So we have a refillable gas bottle since half year, and it's one of the best things we have inside because you are so comfortable on the way because you don't have to change the bottles. You can
see here outside, it's easy to fill on the gas station.
Just normal LPG.
Yes.
Tank.
Yeah.
And then you had the toilet?
We changed the toilet to a TTT, I don't know the word in English. It's a composting toilet. And so we don't have chemicals, and I have a new storage for my cleaning stuff. So there's more place for cleaning stuff.
So it used to be the cassette removal?
Yeah, normally there's a cassette for the chemical toilet, yeah. But now it's for me. It's my storage. Yeah. So
that's it.
And on the roof you have how many solar panels?
One panel because we have 3 windows and there's not really a lot of space. And the one panel is 180 watt. Okay, let's have a look inside. Come in. I think the room is really used efficiently. We have a table, yeah, we can walk here, eat here, play here.
It's important to work because...
Yeah, because I am working remote 40 hours a week.
Per week, yeah.
Per week, a lot.
And I'm studying.
So full-time?
Yeah, it's a full-time job, yeah.
Full-time job on the road.
Yes.
And how it's working?
It's okay. It would be better to work a bit less, but it's okay. It's for a German company where I work since 11 years, and yeah, they give me the chance to do it on the road. The first plan was just using the car for weekends and have some holidays. Yeah. But when we got the car, we feel it very quickly that we have to use it more to live inside. Yeah, it was a feeling. It was just a feeling to live inside. Yeah. We have to live inside, and we have to travel and see the world with this. And it was the best
decision that we have done.
After we traveled 1 year, we need to have a coffee machine, and for this we bought an inverter with 1,500 watt. Yeah.
It's here.
It's only for the coffee machine, yeah, because we love to drink good coffee.
all day long. These are the 3-row seats.
Yeah.
And originally, so there was no inverter? In the
No inverter and a really bad battery, just 59 ampere with gel batteries.
gel battery.
Gel battery, and yeah, we changed to a lithium LiFePro, LiFePro 4.
Yeah. How big is it?
Just 100.
Okay.
I think maybe next summer we will change to 200 because the coffee and the laptops are really using a lot of energy and need a lot of energy.
So originally it was very small gel battery without solar panel?
Without solar,
Without
original it was without solar panel, without inverter, without the good battery.
So the original setup isn't possible to work or live inside.
Yeah.
No,
You have
it's.
to do-
I think it's built for maybe holidays on weekends,
Yeah.
and
But
not for
not more.
not for a trip
Not to
or
live
for
full time in the van.
yeah. And now we live inside, and we need to change a lot.
Yeah.
We also changed the sound system, because I love it to have loud music and powerful music,
Yeah.
and we bought a subwoofer and we changed the
Radio from
radio and the-
Senec.
was heißt Lautsprecher?
Speakers.
And the speakers, we have better speakers. We also bought an alarm system with GPS because before we start, we lived in Berlin, in the city, and it was really dangerous to park a car like this there because they are stealing a lot of cars in Berlin, camper cars. So we have a bit security systems. We also have a camera,
Yeah.
a alu cam. So when we are away or when we make sightseeing, the alu cam is always on, and it's with tracking, motion tracking. Is it right?
Yeah.
So if somebody comes in, the camera will alert me, so I get a push notification
Yeah.
on my mobile, and I see the live picture.
So even if the robber gets in and grabs the camera, you have already at least one picture of him.
I have one picture. It's saved on a server,
Yeah.
so it's not local.
Yeah.
So we have it. Yeah,
Right.
we have the
Yeah.
picture. It's also interesting if you bring the car to a service, you
To
can
see what they really do inside our house.
Yeah, when we were in Valencia, we were flying back home for New Year, and we bring the car to a parking station,
Yeah.
and we saw they changed the car every 3 hours. They always changed the car to another place, and it was a bit spooky because we were on the other side of the world, and saw that somebody drives our car. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we buy
Anyway.
Alo for the alarm system, but now since we have a dog, there's Sunny's place. It's maybe a dog cam.
It's also interesting if we are in a restaurant or
Yeah, to see what happens in our
Yeah.
flat.
And there is the storage under, or is it just the technical compartment under the step?
under the step there's a small storage, but it's
Yeah.
not. So if you build your own camper van, you can use any space you like. But here, I think because of the costs, maybe the prices they don't build here any slide or something like this, because this is, I think it's storage we can't use. So it's a pity. We changed the system of this door because normally, I don't know, it's an idiot thing.
Yeah,
The door was open like this, you put it down.
Flip it down.
Yeah,
I don't know I don't know why, and we changed the
Hinges.
hinges. We changed the hinges to open the door like this,
like a
normal
door.
Yeah. So it's also storage. If we have a breakfast or dinner,
If we work together,
can-
also I have my computer here. Peter has his place there, so we can work together.
we have some USB ports here.
So this
And-
came originally.
Yes. Then we have some light or energy slides.
Yeah.
Is
Is
it
this
right?
original as well?
Yeah, it's also original. Because of the low energy of the USB ports, we installed a 12-volt socket to charge a laptop or the power banks. We also have 3 power banks for bad times. Maybe if we have no sun, we can just charge our mobiles. We have 2 charge controllers. The second one is we have since 2 weeks or 3 weeks, because before of this we have both solar panels on one charge controller, and it wasn't really the best installation. Oh, ich sag echt oft ne?
Solution.
Yeah.
It wasn't the best solution.
Because it was taking the smallest solar panel, basically inverting your big solar panel into small
Yes,
one.
but I didn't know before.
Yeah.
So and then I ordered a second one, and now it's a lot of power. Now the problem is maybe the battery, yeah, and we.
Yeah. To have a
As I
bigger
told
one.
you before, we need to change to a bigger one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much was the price of the new camper van?
It was around about 55,000 euros. Yeah.
Yeah. So per month, it's
And it was a good
It's-
time.
yeah.
It was and it was a good time because now the prices are really high, and we ordered the car in 2020. And after we got the car, the prices were exploding, and yeah, we were luck. We had luck.
Yeah. We
We
were
had luck.
lucky.
Ladies.
Lenny!
Komm mal rein hier, Tag sagen.
This is our fridge. The volume is about 90 liters with a freezer. Yeah, in the original we get the fridge with another cover. So we changed the cover to a magnetic that we can
Put
take our
friends.
memories here.
We changed the slides because the standard slides are the cheapest one we can get. I don't know, because if you drive, it was always making a lot of noise. Yeah, we changed
This
this.
is our cooking space with
Yeah,
two flames. Yeah, also to wash the dishes. There were also a glass,
Cover.
a glass cover here, but we changed the water tap. This is why we removed the glass cover. Yeah.
The problem was if you open the tap, the glass plate will crash it. Nee, wie sagt man?
Touch.
Also touch it, and then you have overfloating. And also, was heißt denn Fehlkonstruktion, Mann? Hier sind viele Sachen echt nicht gut konstruiert gewesen.
A lot of things were not
Well
good,
Not really
well
clever.
designed.
Yeah,
Yeah,
not very clever.
clever.
And not really, yeah, okay.
And you have the table extension.
Ah, okay. Then we have a magnetic table extension. Yeah, I think it's useful. It's important to have this
Yeah.
because we have not really a lot of space to make a good dinner, but
Yeah,
this
we are
is
cooking a lot. That's why we need the space.
yeah.
The extra space.
Scheiße.
The rest are just like drawers for the pantry and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah. Here is all the control system.
yeah. We have
Control
a
panel.
yes. We have the dual control to change the gas bottles from here, and also to see is one bottle empty or not.
The level.
The level, yeah, and a heater. If we are in the winter time on the road, the gas bottle will be heated. Then we have the classic Truma control panel with a
For the water and
for water
For
and
the
heater.
water,
And,
yeah.
yeah. The control panel for the battery and for fresh water and grey water. Yeah, and the weather station to see how
that's
cold
not
it is.
original.
Yeah.
The main things that you changed was the battery.
The battery, solar,
Yeah.
the alarm system,
Sound system.
sound system.
When you
Yes.
order a camper van built by factory, at least in Europe, you have to think about that you will have to install proper power system if you want to live full time and work from road.
Yeah.
Yeah. With
You have
the
to change a lot to live inside, really. Good.
The reason to change chemical toilet, what was the reason?
Yeah, it's much more comfortable with this toilet. You don't need any service station. You
Yeah.
are really free.
And out of
And-
Central Europe, it's hard to find where to dump chemical toilet.
Yes.
Yeah, and we love it to be in the nature without service and no camping spaces like this.
yeah.
And for this freedom, it is important to change the toilet. I don't
Yeah.
know why the big factories are not using or selling toilets like this.
How much water do you have?
We have 110 liters and 10 liters hot water, and also a gas heater with an option to heat with electricity. So if we
On the grid.
yeah.
The benefits of buying this van is that it's already built.
We didn't have the space or the
tools. We
the
also
tools,
didn't have the
yeah.
tools, the time,
and the knowledge. We
Yeah.
didn't have the knowledge.
One of the biggest reasons is the warranty, because if you have any problems in the first 2 years, you can go to your partner and he will fix it.
And it's everywhere in Europe. You don't have to go back to Germany, or you have to go back.
everywhere in Europe. Now we are in Tarifa, and also in Tarifa there's a partner, a shop. We were there and they checked some things we had problems with.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think this is one of the best reason to buy a built car, ready
Yeah.
To buy a built camper.
to buy a built camper.
Another reason is also that you buy it, you get it, and you can drive. So if you build your own camper van, it needs a lot of time, and yeah, this time we didn't we didn't have. Let's take a look in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a special situation in this car. We have
Yeah.
2 doors.
So here is the shower.
And there is extra curtain.
Yes, here's the curtain, and it's, yeah, that was a point because we buy this car, because we need an extra shower. In a lot of cars, you didn't take the shower because it's too extra and too complicated to get it clean. To get it clean, but here it's very easy. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can also, Rosi can take a shower, and I have the space to go through or go to toilet, or we can do it together.
Yeah.
Separated? No. Together. It's the same.
So you decide together?
No, together it isn't possible. That's not so much space. So this curtain.
It's also magnetic.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can close also this door, and you have a liner bath. They call it liner bath, and we love it because it's like a little bathroom, yeah, with 2 doors. And it's also good for the noise. If Rosi is working in the back, I can work in the front,
Yeah.
and we don't hear each other.
Here
Like,
it goes
Okay.
with magnetic, and so this is our bathroom. The only thing we changed here is the toilet.
And a lot of storage. Huh?
Yeah, here also the IKEA system. There's a lot of space. Here is also extra space, and the upper head. Girls need a lot of space. That's the bathroom, and here behind is a bedroom. So
How big is the bed?
2 meters and 1.5.
And lots of storage.
Lots of storage, yeah. Here are Peter's clothes. That's mine. And this one we share.
Thanks for watching. The social media of Peter and Rosa will leave in description below, and see you the next one. Cheers!